Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce the extremely weather. All of us know that our global climate will now change rapidly. The rising of the sea level, glacial melting, and more frequently of the flood and the drought. These are all climate changing of our Earth in the recent years. And we will simply introduce something related to the extremely weather, like heat wave, disease, in energy transformation, and also the feedback.
What is a heat wave? It is considered an extreme weather. A heat wave is a weather phenomenon. It is referred to weather maintaining a excessively high temperature for a certain period of time. There are two important points for defining the heat wave. The first one is the unusually high temperature is relative, and the second one is the phenomenon needs to continue for a period of time. The first point, the unusually high temperature is relative. It is compared to the temperature over years, not from different regions. A temperature is normal to a hotter region, but may be a heat wave to a colder region. For example, 25 Celsius is suitable and comfortable for us in Taiwan, but it will be too hot for animals to live in the Arctic. The second point, the phenomenon needs to continue for a period of time. Momentary or temporary changes are not considerable. By way of illustration, the temperature may be 25 Celsius in the morning, but 35 Celsius or higher in the room. Connecting the two elements can help you understand the heat wave more clearly.
Before we mention about how disease relative to climate change, we should know that humans, who call ourselves, cause this abnormal change mostly. Hence, breathless smog, melting iceberg, barren land. Those terrible phenomena appear, and those situations only produce harmful substances, like chemical poison, eating land's ocean, and the virus bacteria from the rotten corpse. Either one is dangerous and deadly. It can easily let humans get sick and die anytime. In fact, the unusually temperature is the main reason causing extreme climate. Thus, how to decrease the unusually high temperature is the most important target we must know. We find two effective solutions which can also maintain our life quality. One is energy transformation. The other is protecting forests and the ocean. In a modern society, fossil fuel is the major element we use to produce electricity, but it also causes carbon dioxide emission primarily. Unfortunately, the concentration of carbon dioxide increasing will make global temperature increase too. Therefore, using renewable energy to replace using fossil fuel is a good idea to reduce carbon dioxide emission, and also make sure we can continue to use electricity sufficiently. To reach this target, government and businesses should support developing diversely renewable energy and set an obvious target of carbon reduction. Additionally, Protecting forests and the ocean is also an important way to decrease the concentration of carbon dioxide. Because forests and the ocean both can absorb carbon dioxide massively. So, we should avoid overfishing, using too many plastic products, drilling oil under seabed, cutting and burning massive trees, in order to protect these natural fortresses and even protect the lives who are invaded by extreme climate.
Reports thought, facing the climate change right now, everything we see and everything we do are getting more and more important because the things we've done not just affecting ourselves but more to our offspring, and we are both of kinds. To make up for the mess of the last generations, we have been collecting garbage from land to ocean, figuring out the diverse recycle ideas. Plenty of trees. To leading barriers of environmental policy, we reproduce energy transformation, disease prevention, animal and forest protection, and so on. Protecting environment is hard, but it's worth it.